well, because I am. Welcome back to another video. I am so excited to do this video. I have not done something like this in a while, like a businessy video, because I did take a break from my business, but I am back and I'm better. So I have a few things that I need to open. I'm waiting on one more, so when it gets there, I'll just add it into the video. But without further ado, let's get into it. This is from a brand that I will be affiliated with on my braiding page. So I'll be doing a separate unboxing for like TikTok and Instagram. So look out for that. It's braiding hair. So I'm pretty excited. I don't know what's in what, so I'm just gonna go through basically. Oh my god. Ooh, these came out so cute. If you're looking for somewhere where you need materials and stuff for your business, stickers or anything like that, check Shein. I've been sleeping. Like, I used to shop on Shein for like clothes and stuff, but over the years they've added like a bunch of other things. So business, Shein. I got the sizing so right for this. These are stickers. Royal Lily Empire. And I did get the sizing right. Let me open it for you guys. I also have work, so I need to get through this. Oh, these came out so good. I was nervous, to say the least, but I am happy with these. And there's more stickers. These, I don't know if to sell these or if I want to give them. I'm so stuck. I don't know if I want to sell or what. Look at these. Made in St. Vincent. I should have added the grenadines, but I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try to. Depends on how these do. I'm gonna try to see. This could be stuck on like clear phone cases, AirPod, headphones, computers, iPads, water bottles, whatever you may. You can stick these on there. Do you guys like my nails? These are literally all mine. I'm so proud because I am a known biter. So I'm going to do my nails like this. It's because, you know what? I'm getting off track. This is what I do. I am excited. I can't wait to post it. What's in this one? Oh, I bought me a phone case so I could stick the previous sticker on here to kind of advertise, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I cannot wait to do that. So you get the picture. I also bought these. These are thank you cards. I'll put a cute little note at the back for my customers. I want to just switch it up a little bit and see how it goes. So I wish it were bigger though, but that's fine. I'm gonna write a cute little note in the back. So yeah, it says thank you. I'm excited. Oh, these are some more of them. Is there anything else in there? Nope. Let's see. Another package. Oh, this is not mine. I bought these for my brother. Look out for that. He will be selling salt, natural salt that he picked. Okay? So these will be coming in a week. Not a week. Let me not drop. Like within 2 weeks. And I also got him some thank you cards. Let me see if I could get, no, maybe not. But it says, your order made my day. I hope this package makes yours. Thank you for supporting my business. So, I'm getting him ready for his business. So look out for that. If you want to place an order, I will link his information in the inbox, in the description below, so you can contact him. Please go support him. That would be the world to me. Okay, moving along. It's like I forgot what I ordered. I love opening packages. It's like opening presents on Christmas. I love it. I love the feeling. What is, oh, this is not from Shein. These are Jibbitz that I ordered from a vendor. The first Jibbitz like these, Trinidad and Tobago, they forgot the white inside, and that was a problem. That was such a waste of money. But this time I made sure the white. I don't know how I made that mistake, okay? But this time I made sure the white is in there. And I got some 784 St. Vincent and the Grenadines area code. I got some of these. So we'll see how it goes. I'm just so excited. You guys don't understand. Pretty exciting. I also need to get me some Jibbitz so I can, not Jibbitz, Crocs, so I could design them. So weird. This is more stickers. I guess these didn't turn out right because it's like the candy, and they sent me those. These were not done right. So okay. Let me see. I think I know what's in this one. I wish I was wearing a Crocs today. But on Forge, they're not. I'm not. These. Wow. Wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. I gotta love these. They're gonna love these. I did not expect the quality to be like this. And looky look. How cute is this? This is the quality. I love it. I love it. I wish I was wearing a Crocs today. But unfortunately, I'm not. I'm screaming. Okay. We have 2 more packages. I know what's in one, but I don't remember what's in the other. Okay, let's see. And what could possibly be in this one? I know what's in this one, so I kind of want to leave it for last. Oh. Okay, okay. These are, this is what I was afraid of. It might work. They will work. They look small, but they will work. They'll probably work. These are all packaging. Yeah. I got new shells. Let me show you, for those of you that don't know. I got new shells. Well, we stocked up, but not much, because there's other packaging. So I'll have like 2 packaging, different packaging. So yeah, for what's in this bag. So I got some of these. I also got me some of these. So cute. I also got me some of these, the jewelry, like my necklaces will go on here, and then the stickers will be stuck on here, and then they will be going inside of this bag, which I think is a bit small. But child, we gotta make something shake. I'm gonna try it out later. So yeah, that's the vision I was going for. Stick the stickers on here, put on the chain, and then put it in here. So I don't know if it's gonna work because I bought a lot of these. So we're gonna see. Last package will be this. I am so excited to open these. I got sent a picture from my vendor and I was screaming on the inside, okay? So I'm so ready for you guys to see. My other packages on the way, I know it's in there, just restocking the signature necklace. Says, but I would still want to open it on cam for you guys to see. So those usually take like a month and change. Why? I don't know. These were done. But anyways, let me get into this. Every time I launch a new product, I get so nervous because you just never know how it goes. You could be excited. You could think it's the best thing yet. But baby, you just never know. So, there they are. I'm not trying to say, you can't see. You hear that jingle? Oh my god, oh my god. Do you see what that is? I'm screaming at her. One thing about them Chinese, they will wrap some package like it's cocaine. They be securing your goods. You don't got to worry. Because baby, they got you. Oh my days. Guys. Look here. It's a bag charm. St. Vincent. Oh my days. This is so pretty. Like, look at this. Look at the quality. Like, the quality is there. Oh my God. I'm gonna find the bag and come back. And I got me a bunch. So, y'all better come through for these. Come through for these, okay? I'm coming back. I'm gonna get me a bag. I'm back. I already have like a charm on this, so I'm gonna attach. This eats. This eats now. Look. Eats down, guys. Pics will be dropping soon. Just know, pics will be dropping soon. Get them coins ready, okay? But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please share. please spread the word that there's new stock in town. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and on TikTok. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.